Disturbing facts that will keep you up at night. Jamaican edition. If you pass away in front of your cat, it will eat you. The demon you think is watching you from the corner of the room is really there. It's called a monitoring spirit. You have millions of microscopic mites living on your face and eyelashes at this very moment. The figurines on your granny's whatnot is most likely possessed by a demon. If you go to an obeah man to remove evil demons, he invokes an even stronger demon to drive away the old one, but you are now stuck with the stronger demon. There is a vampire demon known to Jamaicans as Old Hag. Somebody who was kidnapped is trapped right at this very moment, hoping to escape. I pray to God that they escape.